Let's do some SQL. Frequent customers. This question appeared in the interviews of Apple and Amazon. And in this question, they're asking, find customers who appear in the orders table more than 3 times. So let's explore this data set first. So select star from orders. Let's run it. And in this table, essentially, they're asking for this customer ID, and they're asking for find the customers who appear in this data set more than 3 times. So when they say customers, they're talking about this customer ID here, because there is no other classifier here that can classify a customer. So they're asking for customer IDs that appear in this data set more than 3 times. So how can you do that? How can you do that count? There are multiple approaches. I'm going to be taking the most simple approach. I'll be grouping this data and by customer ID and finding a count of those customers. And after that, I'll store that into a CTE, and then I can just do my filtration. Okay, so let's begin. Select star from orders. Let's do group by cust ID. Okay, and for this to work, I need to have this in my select statement, and let's do a count on that, and let's run this. And we have this thing here, customer ID, count, all that stuff. Okay, looks pretty good. In this question, they're asking find customers who appear in the orders table more than 3 times. So whenever they ask you to do a filtration on a grouped data, you can use having clause. So having, I'm gonna copy this count here, having count greater than 3. Okay, let's run this, and now we have this here. We have 3 customer IDs. I'm looking at 15, 3, and 7 that appeared in this data set more than 3 times. In this question, they're asking find customer. They don't care about the count, right? That's why I'll have to put this into a CTE. So just call it CTE, and all of this will be inside that. And let's just filter out the cust ID from that result set. Okay, because that's what they're asking for. They're not asking for the count here. How do I know that? Because I know it from expected output here, and I tried this before. So they're only asking for the customer IDs here. So from CTE, let's run it. 1537. Let's see if that's the right answer. And that is the right answer. So very simple approach. Group the data set, reduce that data set into these groupings, and after those groupings, you can use a having clause to filter out based on the condition. Okay.